Welcome to our 7th video on mitosis. In our last video, we talked about the stage called metaphase. We went over some important points called metaphase chromatic complex, Securin, and Separase. If you missed that video, it's a good idea to watch it before watching this one. Today, we will be talking about the next stage, which is called Anaphase. Let's get started. Anaphase is the part of the cell splitting process called mitosis that comes after the metaphase stage. During this particular stage, the chromosomes that were copied during the previous stage are separated and move to opposite ends of the cell. During the late stage of Anaphase, the chromosomes become very tightly packed together, which helps them move to the opposite ends so that the nucleus can reform correctly. Now let's move on to the understanding of Anaphase promoting complex, Securin and Separase interactions. In the previous video, we have overviewed these proteins in a basic way. Here we will understand their role in the cell cycle in a more refined and detailed way. Anaphase begins with the marking of an inhibitory chaperone known as Securin for destruction by the anaphase promoting complex through a process called ubiquitinylation. This marks the start of Anaphase stage. Securin blocks a protein called Separase from working. When Securin is destroyed, Separase is set free and it starts breaking down another protein called Cohesion. Cohesion is what holds the identical chromosomes together. During this stage, three types of microtubules that are unique to mitosis called Kinetochore microtubules, interpolar microtubules, and astral microtubules work together to create the forces that are needed to pull the identical chromosomes apart. This center part of the chromosomes, called centromere, split and the sister chromatids are pulled to the opposite ends of the cells by kinetochore microtubules. As they are pulled, they form V or Y-shaped structures. Anaphase is known for two different movements or motions. The first one called Anaphase A, the second one is called Anaphase B. Anaphase A is when the chromosomes move to the opposite ends of the cell. This is where the centrosomes are located. The movement is mostly caused by kinetochores and a specific type of microtubules called kinetochore microtubules. The second type of movement in anaphase called Anaphase B is when the two ends of the cell move apart from each other. The movement is mainly caused by two types of microtubules called interpolar microtubules and astral microtubules. And when the anaphase stage is finished, the next stage in the mitosis process begins called telophase stage. These were some of the key points of Anaphase stage. Next, we will discuss the telophase stage of mitosis. If you liked the videos and enjoy these videos, then please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Let's move on to the next video.